Milton Friedman, in a very famous article, by the way, it's not a journal article, it came out in New York Times magazine, but it's very, very influential in the business world and in the financial economics world. The idea is this: Milton Friedman said, suppose you want to help labor, or you want to help some other social cause. Why should that interfere with shareholder profit maximization? Let the shareholders maximize profits, and then out of that maximized profits, if you want to donate to labor, donate to environment, donate to any social cause, you have more money. So you should focus, shareholders should focus on maximizing profits. Forget about the social causes for the time being, and then later you can donate much more to that cause. I think this is a fallacious argument. This is a very popular argument, by the way, in business world, to give a rationale for maximization of profits. The main counter argument to Friedman is this. So in maximizing profits, if you structurally damage those social causes and then help them out, that's not a solution. Environment is easy to example. If you damage the environment irreversibly and then you donate to an environment cause, it's not going to help. So Oliver Hart and Luigi Zingalis have an article on the non-separability of shareholder profit maximization and social causes, because the profit maximization itself may change the structural conditions and may cause irreversible damage.